If you have issues with pairing your Redmi Watch 6 with your phone, for example, you have had your watch paired before with your phone, but now it doesn't want to pair, then if you go to the MyFitness app or MyFitness app and switch to the device, and if you have your Redmi Watch 6 selected, then of course over here we can tap on sync or connect button to try to connect again. Now, in case it doesn't work, in my case, of course, the smartwatch is connected, but let's say that it doesn't work. What you can do in that case is you can simply go to settings and factory reset your smartwatch. So you can press the crown to open the app list, then you can scroll down over here and go to settings, and then we can choose my device, and here we have the factory reset option. Now, I believe that if we press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds, we should be able to open the same menu as well. There we go. Yeah, so here well, it's not exactly the same, but we have the factory reset option as well. So you can use that in order to pair your smartwatch again. So we're gonna completely erase everything. Let's go over here again, factory reset, and confirm that we want to erase all data. Now, if you have the MyFitness app on your smartwatch, if you have been connected in the past, then what you will have to do also, ideally, is to remove the smartwatch from the app and from Bluetooth settings. So on the phone, in the MyFitness app, you can tap on this arrow that we have right next to the Redmi Watch 6. Then over here, we can tap on this trash icon and we can remove our Redmi Watch 6 from this list. Now, in my case, the watch is immediately trying to pair, but let's say it doesn't happen, it doesn't detect. So let's just skip through that. Let's cancel that. And also what you will have to do is, of course, go to settings and open the Bluetooth settings, as I mentioned, and you will have to check if you have your smartwatch paired over here. In some cases, on some smartphones, your Redmi Watch 6 might still be available in here in the list of paired devices. So, of course, you just want to make sure that it is completely erased from your phone as well. Especially on iPhones, I believe that the smartwatch can still be here in Bluetooth settings. It might be still saved, so you want to make sure that it is not. Now, once we have the QR code visible on our smartwatch, then of course we can go to the MyFitness app, and then we can try to scan the QR code. Now, ideally, we want to scan because it's definitely the most convenient way. So if you tap on the scanner button, then you can scan the QR code. But in case the scanner doesn't work for you, you cannot scan the QR code, then you can choose Add a Device instead, and you should be able to find your Redmi Watch 6 on this list. So then the phone should try to pair with your smartwatch. There we go. And then we can confirm both on both our Redmi Watch 6 and your smartphone. And then we can, of course, proceed with the pairing. If you manage to successfully connect. Also, in case you are stuck in this QR code and you cannot proceed, you can factory reset again by tapping on this eye icon here at the bottom. Then we can go to System, and here we have the factory reset, so you can confirm that you want to erase all data. And in addition to that, if you still cannot pair your smartwatch with your phone, then what you can also do is, while setting up the smartwatch, you can try to use the same language that you use on your phone. And if you have the region selection, you want to choose the same region that you have on your MyFitness app. So if we go to Profile over here, and then choose... I believe it's here in app settings. Yeah, there we go. Here we have the region. So in my case, it is Poland. So of course, if you have the region selection, then you want to make sure that the same region is selected on your smartwatch while setting it up, while pairing it with your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.